Hello, my name is Leebobawitz, and welcome back to The Last Door. We last left off. We were playing 1, 2, 3. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? And, yeah, then the girl just kind of went about her business. The wardrobe is locked. Well, I wonder what's in there. I'm guessing the body of her dead father. And now this crazy lady's in here, too. What's this one say? The sitter is a strikingly beautiful young woman. Her features are sharp and aristocratic. Who's laughing? The piano is so dusty, I dare say it hasn't been played in years. I wonder if it still works. Oh. Something is preventing one of the keys from depressing. There was a key hidden under the key. Looks like the lyrics to a song entitled The Last Song for You. The verses are scrawled as so poorly make them illegible. Is that a cage? This cage was a house of huge bird, only a feather remains. Let's take... I can't reach the feather from here. Can I use the doorknob? No. Can I use the doorknob? No. Okay. Well, let's go see what that laughing is. Hey, friend. Doorknob is missing. Well, I have the doorknob. Hypnotic gaze. Hi, friend. Who are you? No! Did I not pray enough? Have I not written faithfully every last note you screwed into me? Middle C up to A, measure G up to C, tied F, second violin, bar 2, middle C up to A, double note E, G, C. No! This was supposed to be our masterpiece. Voila! C up an octave, then up to G. What? Who do you think you are? Are you blind, man? Can't you see I'm creating the angel's voice? The work, C to A, an octave higher. A fragile voice flutters around the strophe. No! Hands swallow you, laugh at you, I lost it again. Are you alright, sir? My inspiration, too, is lost, quite lost in the fog. The notes moan, just her. Who was she? Oh, beautiful Daphne, the best soloist that a composer could have, the voice of an angel, what made my music possible. She would stand there by the window, the wind caressed her cheeks, it danced in her golden hair, her dress glowed like an ember in the dusk sun. What happened to her? She was very delicate, like a flower in the desert, like a petal in the storm. The sickness, it just swept her away. Her voice, my God, her voice. It came from heaven. She was the angel of my music. I'm following a man. Though, come to think of it, maybe he is following me. He has a red beard and wears a cape. I sometimes find this man, too, amongst my notes. I feel him close to me at times. I need to get out of this place. You ask me for words, but words are betrayers. They're dirty. Music, just music remains beautiful. But it's a prison inside us all. We must set it free. I can't help you now, but until my work is finished. My work is the important thing. She was my only inspiration. Let music and singing surround you, my man. Paper bound up in a roll. Seems to be discarding music score. A tailor's mannequin. Why is it beside the window? No. Painting of a young lady with a peaceful expression. She looks like one of Raphael's angels. Hey, Mr. Doorknob Man! Got your doorknob! Can I come say hi? Wooden planks are blocking the window. I can only see part of the outside. A big wall mirror is so covered in dust I can't recognize my face through it. Let's look in here. The laughter is coming from behind the curtains. I can faintly see the outline of someone's figure on the other side. Dead person? Oh. It's a porcelain doll with lifelike proportions. The face has been removed, leaving her featureless. But the wig shines brightly through the human hair. As though of human hair. Can we turn it off? Thank you. I think I know what we're going to do. Because there's a mannequin by the window. We just got a wig. I'm guessing we're going to put stuff on it. But I got the key, so now we can open whatever's in here. I love when there's no music. That's my favorite part. There's an elegant scarlet party dress inside. Let's take it. But I need... Oh, I don't need that. Okay. I need that feather, though, don't I? Wouldn't have just mentioned a feather. Can I get it with that? If I blow through the paper roll, maybe I can manage to make the feather fly. Aha! I got it. It's a big black feather with some gray spots at the base. Cool! So, should all of this work for your dear Daphne's... You know, I don't think I've ever met a Daphne in person. I've only known Daphne from, like, Scooby-Doo. Oh. Yes, just right. It looks more and more like the young woman in the painting. No. The mask will fall off in the state. I have to repair it first. How do you repair it? I guess we'll go outside now, because now there's nothing else we can do. Maybe there'll be something outside we can use to... What's that? Is that a bright meadow? The picture's faded into a dull color. Mold covers the wood stacked in this shed. Judging by the resin oozing from the surface of this tree, it appears to have been recently chopped down. No? I just can't pick it up with my bare hands. Can I get it with a feather? Okay, can we put the... I've stuck the pieces together with the resin. This face, it reminds me of the girl from one of the paintings. The door's locked. I can't even move it. I'm guessing once we help this man with his dead lover, I'm guessing once we help this man with his dead lover, we will, he'll give us a key and then we'll go down there or something. I don't know. This is cool though. I like this. This is fun. This is always fun. Let's go to the very end of the hallway. There we go. Fixed mask. Daphne, you're back! Are you a figment of my melancholic mind? Are you a ghost of my dying music? No, it doesn't matter, because you are here with me again, and I now know exactly how to compose my masterpiece. Please, take my violin. Now that I have completed my work, I no longer have use for it. It needs to be with her. Go to the Mausoleum and place the violin with her, where her heart lies. The angel of my music will guide you. Here, take the key to the Mausoleum, my friend. What did it say? What is this Simurug? It is what the crows are searching for. It is what you must search for, too. Look for the Simurug. What the hecky heck is a Simurug? Well, that was weird. I mean, this guy's life is pretty charmed and interesting. But I can't say I would want it myself. Okay, come on, buddy. I believe, I believe, I believe. Is it the... From here, it seems as if Daphne herself, who's standing by the window. Wow. You didn't even know who Daphne was, and you're like, oh, this is totally her. Key. Let's go in the mausoleum. Here lies an angel. Great pity must be felt for those who did not hear her. Pity for those not blessed by her naive grace. Not shaken by her heavenly voice, trembling their souls into divine descendants. Here lies Daphne. God rest her soul. Sarcophagus is broken. Where on earth is the coffin? Who could have done this? I was asked to leave the violin close to her heart, but she isn't here anymore. Is the coffin transported through here? Let's go. Oh. It's locked. Well, let's... What was that? Did someone knock? Maybe I can see something if I look through the keyhole? Yeah, that's smart. That's smart. Someone's gonna jump scare me. No? Darkness there and nothing more. Hi, friend! Okay. With the help of River, the Naiad Daphne hid from the sun in the shadowy mist. She changed her skin from strong bark, so her heart was forever concealed, her dance frozen in the rustle of 1,000 leaves. Books. What was that? With unpronounceable names in dead languages. This is the best place to be. What the heck is this? Oh, hi, friend. What's your name? I beg your pardon, sir, if I have startled you. What are you doing here in the dark? Why, I'm reading these marvelous books. In the dark? How can you see the words without any light? That is the only way to see them, really. That is, if you want to see the words on the other side of the page. The words from the shadows. Shadow always hides from the light, you know. So they can only be read in darkness. Wow, you're a special one, ain't ya? Oh, goodness no, the bookshop doesn't belong to anyone. Not since I found it here. I'm just a guest and explorer of these ancient tomes. Have you seen a man pass this way? He is red-haired, tall, and wears a cape. Oh yes, I know of whom you speak. I see him here from time to time, perusing the books. He would pick one off the shelf, glance at it, and then put it back. He and I never spoke, though. Why do you ask? I guess that he is calling me, guiding me somehow. Can you tell me which books the man perused? Let me think. Ah, yes, I recall him looking at Unexplored Places of the Empire. An excellent tome, very revealing and very rare. This bookshop is very fortunate to have a copy in its collection. I'm not sure where it is now, but I'm sure it can't be far. Excuse the interruption. I'll leave you to your reading. In the dark. Alone. Large collection of books. Alright, well. Is that you, Daphne? Okay, well, anyway, on this delightful note, I'm going to have to end the episode there. If you're enjoying this series, go ahead and show that like button some love to show me that you're enjoying it. It really helps me out a lot just to gauge what you guys like. If there's any games you'd like me to play, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. And, as always, I hope you have a wonderful day. And if it's night wherever you are, I hope you have a wonderful night. See you soon. Bye!